Hi, this is Nicole from the South Fayette Township Library, and today we're going to make friendship bracelets. For supplies, you will need scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, embroidery thread, yarn or string, a clipboard, tape, a cabinet knob, or the back of a chair to hold the string while you make your knots. The American Girl doll's wrist is about 9 centimeters. You will also need to measure your own wrist to see how long the finished bracelet should be. First, we're going to learn the beginning bracelet style, snake around the pole. The doll bracelet needs 2 strings of 2 different colors, each about 20 inches long. Tie a knot about 2 inches from one end. Attach a string to the clipboard just above the knot, then separate the string colors. Then take one color string to make a number 4 on top of the other color. Take the left string, slide it under the other color, and then wrap it back over itself to make the knot. Hold the other string straight and pull the first to tighten the knot. Alternate colors wrapping around as desired until the bracelet is long enough for the doll's wrist. Now tie a knot at the end of the bracelet. The bracelet ends should be lined up and cut to about 2 inches long. Now you have the finished bracelet for your doll. Make a bracelet for you. First cut 2 40-inch lengths of each color string. Fold the strings in half and tie a knot 2 inches from the fold. Separate the colors and then repeat the process to make the snake around the pole. Start by making a number 4, then wrap around and under the second color and then back over itself. Keep making these loops and tightening them up until you finally have a bracelet that's long enough to fit around your wrist. Here's the child and doll bracelet side by side. Now we come to the Madison Style bracelet. This bracelet starts with 4 40-inch strands. One 40-inch strand folded in half becomes the center post. Take the ends of the other strands and bring them together. Then gather both ends, find the center of the string, and tie it around the knot, above the knot on your center post string that you have clipped to your clipboard. You want to have it above the knot so that it doesn't slide down when you are making your knot. Take the left string to make a number 4. Then, just like with the other bracelet, take the right hand string over the folded string there, pinch and bring the tail up through the hole that's made. Slowly tighten them up, holding the center string tight and straight, and then close the knot. For this particular set of knots, always make your 4 to the left, and as it goes around, you'll get a nice little twisting knot that will spin around the center pole, and that's what gives you the look of the snake around the pole bracelet. When the bracelet is long enough to fit around your wrist, tighten the last knot and then tie a knot with all of the strings together. To make a Madison Style bracelet for your doll, you only need to use 2 outside strings, and you don't need them quite as long. Then just follow the same process as you did before, making a number 4 and wrapping it around until it is 8 centimeters long. The last style of bracelet is the square knot or macrame knot. For either bracelet, first measure the wrist and then add 5 inches for the center string length. For your bracelet, measure 2 pieces 3 times the length of the center string. For the doll, measure 1 piece. The knot string for the doll bracelet needs to be divided in half, so first separate the strands into 2 parts. Then take all 3 strands and tie a knot that is 2 inches from the end. Attach the knot to the clipboard and pull the long strands to the center. The square knot is similar to the Madison, except you must alternate between the left and the right number 4s. This will keep the bracelet flat, and it will make it look very nice and pretty, very nautical as well. The knot should lay flat. Try to keep the center string straight and the knot snug against the one above. Keep doing this until you get the correct length for either yours or your doll's wrist. When the bracelet is long enough, tie off the ends and you've got another one ready to go. Now, Nia just loves her friendship bracelets.